Hello, how you all doing? Yeah, here I am again. I'm back here again today. I'm talking about areas you can really come into the tech space and to be part of the tech ecosystem. You've been thinking, how am I going to get into the space? It's becoming very, very profitable, and it's becoming an area that the whole world is actually moving into as well. And how do I really get in? Where do I start? I'm not a computer science grad, neither am I an engineering grad as well. How do I, you have so many you ask so many questions. I think I'll be able to help to answer some of your questions today. And the question will be, I'm not a programmer. How can I become a tech person? How do I get into this tech ecosystem? I have a very good talk for you today. It's going to be a very short one today. I think 5 minutes or thereabout. I think I should be wrapping up. So this is it. I think you have heard about, there is a word that is buzzing around right now. Project management is going around, and it's been there for a while, but I think most recently it's becoming very popular amongst big enterprise solution companies right now. It's becoming very big as well. And also within the tech space, or within the software engineering space, or within the tech ecosystem, there is also a buzzword as well that has been there for a while, and I think is very important and very critical. We see them more like managers within the team itself, despite we have engineering managers, and they are there playing a vital role. They are called Scrum Masters. Yes, Scrum. You can Google it, Scrum. SCRUM. You can Google it and know what a Scrum actually is. So Scrum Masters are like managers within a small unit of a team to coordinate, to enforce the team. Sorry, I'm using the word enforced. I know why I said enforce. Developers could be sometimes very, very, very difficult to work with, to enforce some software processes on how the entire software development life cycle flows from the start to the delivery part. So when you are a Scrum Master within a team, you don't need to be a computer science grad, you don't need to be an engineering grad, you don't need to be a science person or a techie per se, but you need to be solution driven first, because you'll be dealing with developers, dealing with the engineering team directly on how to accomplish their task in an agile way. You can also check out what an agile actually is within a team. How the process is being done within the team. So you're actually looking out for the entire process within a team to deliver. So you are more like the manager within the team, but you are not a traditional manager within the team. There's a lot of difference, okay? And it is very important that you get some level of understanding what Scrum is and what Agile is, and how to become an Scrum Master or an Agile practitioner within the team. It is very critical for you. That is one way you can really come into tech space if you are not someone who is very analytical, someone who can keep late nights, someone who who just like to put pen to paper to make sure things are done rightly. This is for you. Become a Scrum Master. Become a Scrum Master. Become a Scrum Master. I'm hitting it for you now. Become a Scrum Master. You don't need to be a computer science grad, like I said earlier. So the area you have to focus on is your analytical skills. Your communication skills should be top notch as well. I have a Scrum Master, all right? He's within the team. He's very vital for the team as well. And also the areas you have to also check out for as well. How do you become a Scrum Master? How do I become a Scrum Master? You can read as much as possible to understand how the whole process works, but you don't have best practices. So it is very important for you to be certified in this area, all right? to be certified in this area. Okay, certification. How important is certification in the IT world itself? You've heard about so many certification coming up in IT, certification in this, certification in that. Is it very important? It is very necessary, but it's not important. Yeah, those are the two different slices of the puzzle. It is very, very necessary because you need to understand best practices on this field that you are in as well, so you can be able to relate globally as well. Anybody can put out a post out there for you to read, and to you understand it, but is that the best practice? You need to have the best practice. You need to be certified as much as possible. So that is going to help you to come into becoming a Scrum Master. And for me, I think I will advise necessarily to have a PMP. Start with a PMP so you understand how time management works as well. And also you'll be exposed to some tools while you are there as well. So Scrum Master, you also have your tools you work with. So when you are now going through the certification program, you are now being taught on how to use some of these tools that are out there for you to deliver your job. So think about Scrum Master today and let me know what you think. Let me know how far you've gone. Let me know where you started. And also you're thinking of where to start, you can look into mocks as well. There are a lot of mocks out there. There's Coursera, there is Udemy. I'm not trying to make advert for them anyway, but there are a lot of tools, a lot of learning resources out there that you can learn from this space as well and become a certified person. You know, they have their own certification exams as well, so you can start from there. And before you know it, you are already in the tech space without you even becoming a tech grad or a science individual or something. So you can actually look into that as well. So here I will stop today. I'll pick up a next topic on my next upload. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.